Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Neha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this silver shimmery traditional eyeshadow makeup look. This makeup look is very much appropriate for Indian wedding guest makeup look, also for any festival or even for a party. And you can try this makeup with any color of outfit because the colors that I have used are quite neutral and universal. Also would like to apologize for one mistake because I missed recording the initial part of the eyeshadow application, but I am going to explain how I did it later in the video, so keep on watching. And also I have tried two different lip shades for this makeup look. One is this pink bright purple lip shade and the other one is a brown neutral kind of lip shade. Also I have tried two different hairstyles, like one is a middle partition straight hair and the other one is the pony. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's begin. Okay, so first I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I have used the Pond's Moisture Creme, and after applying I'll just leave it for about 10 minutes as usual. And next for primer, I'm going to use the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and I'm going to focus on the areas where I tend to get oily easily, like my T-zone area and around my mouth. Now I'm going to conceal my dark spots and the dark circles around my eyes and my forehead. For that I have used the Cover Pot from Cuffs and Lashes, and for blending it I'm using the Forever 52 concealer brush. I'm just blending it with small strokes. I'm also going to use the PAC mini sponge to blend the concealer evenly on my skin because I don't want any thick layer on my skin. Also going to apply a little bit more on the cheek bone area because I have dark spots over there which needs to be covered. You can also use your fingers to blend the product because fingers are the best applicator, but it's a little bit easy and quick with the tools like your brush and the sponge to blend the product. With the fingers it will take a little bit more time, but the finish with the fingers will be better than any tool. Next for foundation, I'm going to take the e.l.f. foundation and I'm going to mix a little bit of the Maybelline Master Chrome to give that luminous effect on my skin. And for blending the foundation, I'm going to use the PAC foundation brush. This foundation works better with a brush compared to a sponge, and it's a buildable foundation. If you want more coverage, you can layer it up. I'm also going to use a little bit more where I need more coverage. Don't apply too much of product initially because it may get cakey. You can always build it up. Also, it gives you medium to full coverage. Once I'm done blending the product, I'm just going to run my brush through my neck. Also going to blend it with a makeup sponge to make sure there is no brush strokes. And this is the coverage the foundation has given. Now for contour, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour stick, and I'm going to apply it in the hollows of my cheek, on my nose, on my forehead and my jawline. And for brightening my under eye area and my nose, I'm going to use a lighter shade concealer, and for that I have used the Revlon foundation stick in the shade F9, which is lighter to my skin tone, so I use it as a concealer. I'm going to take the same foundation brush and blend everything together. just using small strokes to blend the product.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now.
Now I've taken the mini sponge from pack and going to blend the contour that I have applied around my lips and for the concealer as well. I'm also going to blend my concealer with the same mini sponge. Now I'm going to set my face using the Faces Canada compact powder. Taking a small brush to set my under eye area. Now for bronzer, I am going to use the bronzer from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade What a Shady Beige. Once everything is blended in together, I am going to apply a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. Also going to prime my eyelids using the Milani primer. For blush, I have applied the SFR blush in the shade Watermelon. I'm also applying the blush on my nose and connecting it with my cheeks so that it looks natural and there is no stroke of blush on my face. I'm going to set my face using the LA Girl makeup fixing spray. Now as you can see, I have already applied my shimmer shade, so I have used this Febble Eternal Charm palette for the shimmer, and I have applied it on the half of my lids. Now I'm also going to apply the same shimmer shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to take any highlighting shade to highlight my inner corners. As you can see, I have also applied this brown eyeshadow on my eyelid as a transition color. I'm also going to use it on my outer V to blend the harsh edges of the shimmer shade. I'm just taking the same brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line and connecting it with my upper eyeshadow. I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush to blend the edges and going to apply a nude kajal in my lower lash line, and this is from Wet n Wild. And for my brows, I am again going to take a brow pencil from Wet n Wild. Now for highlighting my face, I have used the K Beauty highlighter in the shade Champaign Fizz, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, on my nose and my cupid's bow. Now for tight lighting my upper lash line, I'm going to use the sugar coal. I'm also going to apply the same coal on my upper lash line as a liner, and you don't need to be so precise because we are going to smoke it out. Now I'm going to take a liner brush and going to smudge the kajal, and also going to extend it a little bit to create that small wing. Now for mascara, I have used the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and this is a waterproof mascara. I am not going to use any falsies today. If you want, you can definitely use. This is one of the best mascara that I have come across. Now to lift my lashes, I am going to curl it with the curler and going to run a lash comb to separate the lashes. For lipstick, I have used the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Wine Shine. I'm just going to brush my hair, and I have paired this look with a mustard color kurti with a silver oxidized stud, and this is the finished makeup look. First look that I'm going to show you will be a side partition, and next will be a middle and then a pony. I've also tried a different lip shade. This is from the Faces Canada. Shade name will be mentioned in the description box. It is a brown nude shade for all skin tone. And this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching the video, please make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.